Hello dear students, how are you? Grade 7, and today's lesson is from Scope. Please take out your books. Let's get started. Today's lesson is from Scope, student book, unit 8, page 75, and today's lesson is grammar. So we will talk about grammar today, okay? Please take out your books and your notebooks. But first, let's read some examples. The weather will be hotter tomorrow. The weather will be hotter tomorrow. What do you think? Just look at the sentence. The weather will be hotter tomorrow. So when we say the weather will be tomorrow, the weather will be hotter tomorrow. So it's we are talking about something that's happening tomorrow, not now. And the next sentence, please. Can you just make a sentence for this? Can you just make a sentence, please, grade 7? What will be? Let's see. I will read a book in the evening. I will read a book in the evening. So look at, I say I will read a book in the evening. It means not now. But now I say I will read a book in the evening. So it means it's in the future, in the evening. Maybe now you are in the afternoon or in the morning. You say I will read a book in the evening, okay? And the weather will be hotter tomorrow. So the weather will be hotter and I will read a book in the evening. So just try to guess the today's topic. What will be? Let's see, that's future tense. Okay, it means something about future, about later, not now, not about past, about future, okay? How do we use and how to make how do we use future tense and how to make? Let's see. And what do we use with them? We use will and want to talk about future predictions. Predictions. It means when we want to do something in the future, we use will or want. And the difference is will is positive and want is negative, okay? Will is positive and want is negative. Just like I will read a book in the evening, it means you want to read a book later, not now. I will read a book. Or when we say the weather will be hotter tomorrow, it means we talk about later. We talk about tomorrow, not now, not today. So it's well. Or when you say I won't come to the park tomorrow, I won't come, that's I want, it's negative, okay? So we use will and want to talk about future tense. Future, it means later, not now. We use will and want to talk about future predictions. But let me just tell you, want, it's will not, but we gonna write like that. It's written like that mostly. Will not. Want means will not, okay? When you see want means will not. This is the contraction of will not, just like is not, isn't, okay? You know that. Will, want. Will not means want. And let's see another example. Don't worry, I will help you. Don't worry, I will help you with your homework. Okay, you just look at, you want to help your brother, you say I will help you with your homework. Don't worry, I will help you. That's the positive future tense, okay? I will help you with your homework. So we know we use will and want to talk about future predictions, okay? Let's read some more examples. The first example, they will build more houses in the next 10 years. They will build, it means they want to build later. They will build more houses in the next 10 years, okay? The next one, by 2050, 2000, or you can say by 2050, we read how to say the dates. You can say by 2050 or you can say by 2050 there will be a new city. It means they will build a new city, another city. There will be the same in the future, in 2050 or 2050, okay? There will be a new city. Then the next one, it won't be a mega city. When they say there will be a new city, but it's not a mega city, it won't be a mega city. Look at this is the negative. It won't be a mega city. You know, we studied mega city means when a city has a population of more than 10 million, it's called mega city. It won't be a mega city. Okay, another example. Will you come to the cinema tomorrow? Will you come to the cinema tomorrow? Look at, just we ask with will. We want to talk about later. Will you come? But we ask with will. Will you come to the cinema tomorrow? You say yes, I will. If you say yes, I will, maybe I'll ask you, when will you come? When will you come to the cinema tomorrow? It means what time will you come? When will you come to the cinema? Or how will you come? Like, you will come by taxi, by car, or by bike, or on foot. Okay, when will you come to the cinema? It means the time. When will you come to the cinema? What will you come to the cinema tomorrow? If we just please look at back the examples, they will build or there will be, these two are positive sentence, and this one, it won't be a mega city. This is the negative. Will not, won't be. We said that in the previous slide. And will you come to the cinema tomorrow, or when will you come? These are questions. These are questions. You can ask with will you come, or will you do, or will you read, will you write, or if you put it with a question word, but it should be after question words, like when will you come, how will you come. Okay, it's like that. Or what will you do in the evening, like that. These are positive and negative, and these are questions. Okay guys, it's just let's go see more examples. Well, I left the door open. I left the door open. I will close right now. I will close right now. Okay, you say. And in the restaurant, what would you like to drink? I will have a cup of coffee, please. I will have a cup of coffee, please. I will. And did you call Sue? When we ask, did you call Sue? No, I forgot it. Then you say, I will call her tonight. I will call her tonight. Okay. And decisions at the time of speaking. Sometimes when you say at the time of speaking, I will have a cup of coffee, or I will call her, I will close it right now. So look at, just you do it after a short time. And these examples, and let's do exercise 1. Complete the sentence from the text on page 73. Then complete the rules. The rules, the first exercise, these are from page 75. We said that. Dash, this trend continue in the future. Continue in the future. Let's see. Will this trend continue in the future? Because it is in the future. And there are sometimes expressions to know the future tense. Will this trend continue in the future? For example, here is in the future, will. And this by 2050, there be a new city. There will be a new city. Okay, there will be a new city. And then number 3, it be a mega city. It be a mega city. What? It won't be. It won't be a mega city. It won't be a mega city. Okay, won't be the negative question. This one the question, and this is the positive, and this is the negative form. Okay, the form of the sentence. You know, there are 3 forms: question forms, positive form, and negative form. And let's continue with the rules. The first one, we use will or want to make a prediction about. It means we use will, want, or want to make a prediction about, or an arrangement for the future. Which one? Arrangement or a prediction about? A prediction, it means when you imagine to do something later. Okay, just let's see this one. A prediction about, it means we use will or want to make a prediction about, not arrangement. Arrangement, it is another topic, but this is a prediction about, that you say I will do, I will read, I will write. And then number 2, we use an infinitive with or without to after will or want. Look at, there will be a new city, or it won't be. Okay, which one? With or without to. Let's see, that's without to. Like I will read, not I will to read. I will write, not I will to write. Okay, I will clean, not I will to clean. So it means without to. We use infinitive without to after will or want. The third one, the form of will or want is always different or the same for each subject. Like here, it won't be, or there will be, or she will read, or I will read. Is it different or the same? Just let's see, it's the same. It's the same. Why? Because after will or want, it must be base form. It must be base form. Okay, it means so it's the same for all, for each subject. That's from page 75. Please try to continue like that and choose the correct answers here. And let's this one exercise to complete the sentence with will or want and the verbs below: be, build, happen, migrate, and use. This one will be your homework, please. What do you think will happen to the city over the next 50 years? And try to continue this. It will be your homework, okay? We're gonna check it in the next lesson, but this one I'm gonna do it with you. What do you think will happen in the future? Write sentence about people in the class. The first one, write a book. Write a book. Who will write a book? Who will write? Selenia will write a book. Okay, she will write a book. Look at its base form without to and without anything. Will write a book. Then live abroad. Abroad means when you go to a country and study there. It's live abroad. It means the other country. So who will live abroad? Burwa. Burwa will live abroad. Okay. Burwa will live abroad. Burwa will live abroad. Maybe he will travel and study there. Burwa will live abroad. Appear on TV. Appear on TV. Who will you think that appear on TV from the class grade 7? Just let's see. Oh, Sabri. Sabri will appear on TV. Sabri will appear on TV. Maybe he will have an interview and they will invite him. Then he will be appear on TV. Sabri will appear on TV. Look at, we put will, because it says what do you think will happen in the future about the people in your class. Go to university. Go to university. Who will go to university? You will go to university. You will go to university when you finish your school. You will go to university. Then become a teacher. Become a teacher. Who will become a teacher? Sana. Sana will become a teacher. Sana will be a teacher. Sana will become a teacher. Then sorry, this is the will become. This is Sana will be Sana will become a teacher. Become, right? Become. Okay, not be. Sana will become a teacher. Then travel a lot. Muhammad will travel a lot. Muhammad will travel a lot. Maybe he likes traveling, so Muhammad will travel a lot. Okay, Muhammad will travel a lot. But this one, please, just Sana will become a teacher, not be. Become a teacher. You can write, or you can write whatever you want. You can write your own sentence, not these sentences, but try to write like that. And your workbook is your homework to page 64. Page 64, as much as you can, please try to do it. And this, please write down from here. Write the examples, write future tense, and this explanation and all the examples. Okay, thank you for today's lesson, and we're gonna continue. Don't forget your homework, please. Thank you for